moving on from that eksena from Ate Klang, of course, I also want to talk about it's also a famous trend yung pag-drunk confess ni AZ.
Oh, God.
It may be indirect or direct. It's up to you guys to judge. Pero yeah, I don't know if you guys saw that clip of AZ with Ralph. Ano masasabi niyo?
Wait lang, Ace. Wait lang.
Okay lang, comfy ka lang.
Ralph shouldn't know this, please. I beg you. I bless you. I beg you. Please, Ralph shouldn't know this. Ralph shouldn't know this.
You need to go out. Man, it's okay.
Sabi niyo?
Hindi ko pa nakita, Mav. Honestly.
Oh, really?
Di pa well, ako personally, hindi ko pa nakikita. Ano ba yung nangyari? Baka pwede pa kwento. Magre-react kami
makwento,
live.
shucks.
Live na live.
Reenactment.
Pero legit
Actually, pwede ko naman ikwento, pero mas magaling magkwento si Alexa.
Back to you!
So basically, di ba parang they were drunk. And then, alam ko yun yung nakahiga siya sa bed, di ba? Ano yun? Ayun, tapos she kept saying, Ralph can't know this, Ralph can't know this.
Oh.
Basta ganun.
Can't
We
know
don't
that.
know.
That.
Maybe,
We can't
naman
say
yung
it, eh.
sasabihin niya.
We don't
oh.
know what she
Basta he
feels,
can't know anything, I
Yes.
guess. Can't know what she feels, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know. Hindi naman nalinaw yun.
Oh, may comment na ako dyan. AZ, time is the ultimate truth teller. Comment na ako dyan. AZ, time is the ultimate truth teller.
Wow! Wow!
Maganda yun, maganda yun, maganda
Kaya naman,
yun.
ano masasabi niyo kay AZ?
Talaga,
Go, girl!
AZ, bata ka, halika dito, AZ. Hindi. I'm happy that Mika was there for, and Josh. Grabe, I saw lots of clips of them. Sobrang tinutulungan nila si AZ. Minom ka naman ng water, AZ. Tama na yan.
Ako, Kira and Charlie, I think I can say this one thing to AZ. AZ, we know something you don't know! We know something you don't know! I can say this one thing to AZ. AZ, we know something you don't know! We know something you don't know!
Nako
And
po.
now, lahat ng viewers, nanggigigil na yan sa inuupuan nila kasi they don't know. Ano ba yan? Splook. We know it more.
Mic off, mic.
More, sige, later. Para naman kasali namin kami ni Mavi dyan. Pero hindi, ayun nga, when I was watching those clips, natuwa ako kasi you can really see yung samahan na nabuo ng mga housemates, kung paano sila nag-aalagaan. And ako, na-soft ako sa part ni Ate Klang. Kasi di ba